loves, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I am doing a video unboxing my Boxycharm by IPSY. So this is my box here that everything came in, and we're going to get right into this box. If you are not familiar with this box costs $28 a month, and what you receive is 5 full-size products. It can be beauty, any kind of beauty product. So mostly it's a mixture between skincare and beauty products that you receive, and the box is valued up to $200, and again, you're paying $28 a month for this, and I think we do get like a lot of good brands in the box, so that's pretty cool. But let's get right into what's in here without any further delay. Alright guys, so Ready Set Play is the theme for June with IPSY, and pretty much they have a card in every box here, and then on the inside of here they got information, I guess, about different colors and like mood boosting and all that kind of crazy stuff in here, but I'm not going to go through all of that, so we're just going to get right into what's in the box. So guys, my first product I'm pulling out the box is Dew of the Gods. I always like their name. It's just an interesting name for a product. So Dew of the Gods is the brand, and we have their Watermelon Extract Facial Toner. So I've never used their toner. I got a few masks from them, but I've never used the toner. So apparently this is valued at $36, guys, and it says the toner is packed with a bunch of great alpha hydroxys, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and basically it gently exfoliates, softens your skin, and tones your skin and leaves it feeling refreshing. So I'm gonna pop it out of here so you guys can see what it looks like outside of this box. But this is it. I love using toners. I use them all the time, especially in the summertime, because I am oily in the summertime. So I like to use the toners to kind of take down some of the excess oil. So this is definitely going to get used. Does it have a smell? Like I can smell right through it? Oh, it do smell like watermelon. Yep, it smells like watermelon. So that's actually true. It does smell like watermelon. But I can't wait to try this out. I like the fact that everything's like green and bright, so you can't like even miss this in the bathroom at all. So you know this is the toner. So I can't wait to try that one out. So let's go on to our next product. Alright guys, we're going to move on to our next product. So the next thing I'm pulling out my box, I have an El Maquillage product, and let's see what this one is. Ooh, looks like an eyeshadow palette, and I love that it's like that chrome mirror look. I think that's really dope. So let's see what this is, and this is called the Color Ball Squad Eyeshadow Palette in Workaholic. So let me pop this one open. I got all my fingerprints all over it. It does have a mirror, which I'm going to flip down, but these, wow, and I lost the palette. At least it didn't break. Lord. So guys, these are the colors that came in our palette here for the eyeshadow palette. As you notice, these are very like kind of neutralish kind of colors, but these are great to kind of use if you're just kind of go for a very simple clean look, not too heavy, but you can boss this up a bit. You do have a shimmer here, and you have like a bisque kind of color, your brown, dark brown, and another like a bronzy looking brown there, which I think you can have some fun with that and kind of play up the look or play down the look, however you prefer. So guys, it looks like this product, how much is this product costing? This product is valued at $42, so this is a full size, and it says this palette has the ultimate quad to help you create the perfect smoky eye, included versatile chocolate browns and 3 glistening shimmer shades. So it says it blends like a boss and stays put all day long. So that's always good to know when you are wearing makeup, that it's going to stay put. But I love the packaging on this, and it has like a little weight to it, but I got fingerprints all over it. But I really like the packaging on this one. That one is really fun. So guys, this again was $42. So let's go to our next one. Okay guys, so the next product out my box, this is made by toy company. I've never heard of this brand before. So this is, or Toy Factory, my bad. Toy Factory is the name of the brand. I haven't used this before. But so guys, the product by Toy Factory is going to be Dial Point Gel Eyeliner Duo Kit. We have a black and a brown. This is valued at $32. But like I said, I've never heard of this company before. And whoop, there we go. So we have two. And they got plastic. Is it plastic? Oh man, it's plastic all around them. So I'm not even going to bother to show them. It's just a brown and black. So we all know what that looks like. Let me see if they got any other information. So guys, our information says meet the ultimate dynamic duo for your eyes. You have the two colors, your brown and your black, and it says this kit has you covered for those long-lasting smudge-proof looks made with sustainable synthetic Japanese wax. These liners glide on like butter and stay put all day or all night. Now you know we like things that stay put. It's annoying. Why they got all this plastic on here? Like I can't even get in here because of the plastic. Hold on, I'm gonna just pop it. Yeah, I'm gonna just turn it. There we go. I got some of the plastic off. I wanted to kind of show it to you guys. So let me do a quick swatch. This is the brown. So that is the brown on me, guys. And let me do another quick swatch. Let me try to break this one open too. Okay, yeah, I can pop through the plastic. Great. It really making sure nobody tampered with none of their stuff. Let me tell you. And this is our black. So that is the black on this side here. So this is the black, and then we have the brown, and they went on with no problem. Actually, I think you can build this up, take it down as much as you need. So that's awesome. So that was our Dial Paint Gel Eyeliner. So let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing I have a Trace Loose product. I am very familiar with them. And I have a eyelid primer. I was thinking this was going to be like a concealer. So the color I have is Deep. And this is valued at $46. Oh, I'm sorry, $16. I'm about to say, when did they stuff get that high? So this is the color here for the eyeshadow primer. And I haven't used their eyeshadow primer. I've used quite a few of their other things, but not this. Let's see, it says prep your lips to stay all day with this magical potion. And it says this is a lightweight formula. You can create a flawless canvas for your shadows while enhancing their color, vibrancy, and wear time. So again, this is $16, and this is the color Deep. And I'll just do a little swatch so you guys can see what that looks like on me. But that is the color Deep. I don't think this is that deep, but that's just my opinion. If it's lighter than me, it's not that deep, and I'm not that dark. So I don't know what other people are doing, but this is not that. This is not deep. So I hope they have other colors that's darker than this, because this ain't deep. This is like light at best, light brown. But you would just blend this in, so you don't need a lot of it anyway, just to put on your lids to put your primer as a primer. But yeah, this Deep, not deep. Y'all need to go back to the drawing board. This is not deep. Y'all need to work on this a little bit more. So guys, we have another product that I'm going to go ahead and pull out. It's going to be our last product out of our box here. So let's see what we got. Well, I know what we got, but I'm just telling you guys. But this is what we have. We have a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, and I did pick this. I love Violet. I have another one of her palettes. I think I have two of her palettes here, and I really enjoy them. I love her colors and everything in there and how they go on. I think they're very pigmented. So this says I Rushed You, which is different. I Rush You, but it's 20 colors in this eyeshadow palette here. So guys, this palette contains 20 different shades from a fiery orange to warm browns, and they're perfect for creating bold and blazing hot looks. So they have a mirror, guys. I'm gonna fold it down so I can show you everything. But this palette reminds me more of fall. because I guess of the warm fall kind of colors that's in here, we do have quite a few shimmers, as you guys can see. And we do have a few brown. We have the browns, the oranges. I think you can have a lot of fun with this palette. You can stack them on top of each other. You can do 3 of them at a time. I think when you blend everything out, everything in here kind of matches very well together. I think this is a palette you can have a really good time with, creating a lot of different looks. So I think this is a really cool palette here that we got in Boxycharm for the month. So let's see. So guys, we are done reviewing our 5 items in our box. So let's do a quick review. We have our Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. We have our Trace Loose eye primer. We have our Il Maquillage eyeshadow palette. We have our Factory, what is this company? Toy Factory is the name of the company. This is their dial point eyeliners in black and in brown, which I have here on the back of my hand. We have our Dew of the Gods toner for our skin, and that is our box. I think this was a pretty good box. I'm really happy. You know, you give me eyeshadow palettes like this, we have no problems. We have no problems. So this was, I think, a really good box. I can stack most of my things together and use them all together. So I technically have 2 eyeshadow palettes with the Il Maquillage, but I really like this. This one was really makeup heavy for this box. This is what the peoples want. Peoples want the makeups. So this month y'all brought the makeups to my box, and I am really happy that, you know, I got what I got. I'm very pleased. Guys, what did you get in your box? If you picked this up, let me know if you like the options that they sent to you. If you got a lot of makeup in this box too, or did they give you a lot of skincare? So guys, if you've already subscribed to this channel, I'd like to say thank you for my subscribers, and you guys are helping my little small channel. We're slowly getting there. We're slowly creeping up, and I really truly appreciate that. And guys, until my next video, I will see you next time. Have an awesome day, and bye.